India, a country with diversified cultural heritage, spread widely with various cultures, traditions, castes based on their respective professions. Banjaras, a tribe in India, meant for their efficient logistics, is a shining beacon to the nation's culture and are the best known for their migrating from one place to other in search of merchandise with their pack bullocks. Banjaras are known as service providers in the form of showing path to many kings like Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Shah Jahan, Alauddin Khilji and many more. Besides, they also have actively participated in freedom fight of the nation. Historically, the Banjaras had been carriers of supplies and drivers of pack bullocks. There are a number of historical evidences which prove that the Banjara tribe is one of the primitive tribes of the Indian subcontinent. The Lamani mark brings us back to the 6th century BC and sanctifies that this tribe lived even before the period of Buddha. Banjaras are known variously in different parts of the country as Sugali, Banjara, Vanjara, Lambada, Laman and Labhan. The word Banjara is said to be derived from the Sanskrit word Vanchara or wanderers of jungle, and the word Sugali is derived from the word Sugwala, which means a good cowherd and one who produces good breed bulls. The Sugali seems to be the most ancient, since their migrations go as far back as the 6th century BC. Their extensive migrations took them sometimes outside the frontiers of Rajasthan. These migrations, if they are judged by the inscriptions found in Khyber and Bolan passes, had taken place between 600 BC and 350 BC. The Banjaras stopped their migrations towards west during the decline of Buddhism around 12th century AD before the Mughal invasion. The migration of Banjaras to the south can be traced out during the period of Sultanate and during the invasion of Mughal on Deccan as well. Alauddin Khilji became the Sultan of Delhi in the year 1296 AD. He thought that he would become Alexander II in conquering the world. In this adventure, he thought of taking the help of Banjaras, who could move fact along with their pack bullocks and quick supply of rations to the armies of Sultan. This system of speedy transportation in those days was difficult in trackless terrain, and Banjaras stood in high esteem in the eyes of Sultan and his generals. Banjaras kept the well-stocked provisions required by army. For their services in transporting ration to the armies, they were granted many privileges, such as advancing money for their trade and asked to supply food grain whenever the state needed. Banjaras came to Deccan along with the forces of Asaf Khan. Bhangi and Jhangi Nayaks of Rathod Banjaras formed the army of the Wazir. Asaf Khan was very impressed by the quick transportation facilities of the Banjaras and gave them a title which was engraved on the Tamar Patra or golden plate, which read, रंजन का पानी छप्पड़ का घास, दिन का 3 खून माफ, और जहां असफ जाह के घोड़े, वहां भंगी जंगी किए बैन. which means that Bhangi and Jhangi may freely have pots of water and grass for chappars or roofs. 3 murders a day will be pardoned because where Asaf Jah's horses or cavalry are, these Bhangis and Jhangis bullocks are present.